Amalunga wepalamende alungiselela ukuvotela ukususwa kwakamengameli eskhundleni. Ngahlanye umholi we-I-EFF ukwamukela ukuvota tshachalazi. Wabona amalunga we-ANC wepalamende bona abaziveze tshachalazi instatement abazenzileko ngokuthi bavote ngendaba le.
Kusasa spoke on TV and said Cyril must go. Lindiwe Sisulu spoke on TV and said Cyril must go. Supra spoke and said Cyril must go. Tomorrow, let them go and raise their hands. They must not become peacetime heroes. They were talking on TV. Let the real truth prevail tomorrow. Let's see if they meant what they were saying on TV.
Ihlangano le ibamba umhlangano neembikiindaba okulandela umhlangano wekomiti yayo phezulu ebongempela veke nangokukhulumisana nehlanganisela yenhlangano eziphikisako iForum for Opposition Parties efaka hlangano eziphikisako ekubalwa kizo nezincane iGood ne-Al-Jama. Estatementeni hlanganisela le ithe ivumelene ngokuthi umengameli kufuza bekwicala lokuziphendulela kanti wonke amalunga epalamende kufuza avote ehlelweni lokuvotela ukususa umengameli eskhundleni. Malema uthe umraro abanawo iDA ngombana ithembeki.
Our worry is not the ANC, our worry is the DA. Because the DA is pretending, blowing hot and cold, this and that. Remember, the DA did not submit anything to the Section 89 panel. And when the results were being announced, when the report was handed over, Steinhazen said he's giving an educated guess. How can you give an educated guess when you are not educated?
I-EFF ithusele nangokumangala.
And if the ANC votes against, the panel will meet in court.
Hlanganisela inhlangano eziphikisako lindeleke ukubamba umhlangano nababikiindaba kusasa lapho yokuveza khona bona ithatha liphi igadango.